Hello again. Now we are inside a OneNote environment, and in this video very briefly about the content of OneNote. On the left hand side you will see pages of certain aspects. We have course information where you will find tasks, timetable, collaboration and so on. Please have a look at those. Next, solution-focused coaching part is again divided into different sections, and this area is mainly used for the content materials that will be used in this course. Then we have 4 pages for online meetings, and in these pages we will have programs. We also share our slides or any other materials we might use. And finally, you will have students' own page from where you should find your own name. And over here, you can use this area first of all as you wish, but also you should submit assignments, tasks in here. So that's about OneNote. One final kind of word is that we have, you and me, all the lecturers, we have the same access rights. So if accidentally something goes missing or you delete something, try to bring it back, because we don't have any extra access rights than you do. But I'm sure we will be absolutely fine with OneNote. See you soon. Bye.